just minutes away from world-class shopping at the Galleria in Uptown Park. The combination of upscale living, luxury shopping, and fine dining makes this part of the city truly exceptional. Welcome to this exquisite home located in the prestigious Tanglewood area of Houston, where classic elegance meets modern sophistication. As you step inside, you'll be captivated by the meticulous design and craftsmanship that went into every detail in this home. The main living area has been transformed with raised ceilings, antique brick flooring, a restructured layout that seamlessly blends classic features with contemporary living. Let's take a moment to appreciate the heart of this home. The custom kitchen complete with Bertazzoni appliances, the Quartzite Taj Mahal countertops, the custom Italian marble, and the salt crystal backsplash that together makes this space a culinary masterpiece. Off the kitchen, we enter into the addition, which features a generously spacious laundry room, a 3-car garage, expansive game room with a cozy kitchenette, a dedicated AV closet, a welcoming guest suite and bathroom, a well-appointed workout room, and a pool room with its own bathroom. But wait, there's more. As we explore the bathrooms, you'll find no expense spared. Kohler's 70-inch spa air bathtub and high-end fixtures add a touch of luxury to every moment of relaxation. Custom cabinets and marble countertops are found throughout, elevating the everyday. And guess what? Your own private sauna, providing the ultimate in-home spa experience for unwinding and rejuvenation. Step outside to your private oasis. The pool renovation was nothing short of extraordinary, with an elevated hot tub and a layout deck that beckons you to relax and entertain. The wide stairs and fully upgraded pool equipment system ensure that your outdoor experience is as exceptional as the indoors. Thank you for joining us on this home tour. If you're ready to experience the lifestyle that this home offers, contact us today for a private tour. Your dream home awaits.